We're here at Rapid showcasing our latest technology. As you see, we're here in Detroit, so we couldn't have anything else than a car.
We are partnered with Blazin' Rods, a hot rod shop out of LA. They've brought this incredible 2,800 horsepower twin turbo 1970 Chevelle that has over 75 multi-jet 3D printed parts on it.
This is a last mile delivery drone by Blue Flight that's pretty much fully printed with MJF. All of it's been latticed for lightweighting, and that allows them to travel further, faster, with less energy.
We can scan the infant's head and then print it on the MJF technology. So this new orthosis is going to be very, very cutting edge and drive a lot better patient outcome for our infant patients.
I'm here to talk about a new prototype putter that we're testing on tour. It's made with HP's metal jet process. It's made using their S100 machine. And what that does is allowed us to take the solid structure, replace it with lattice, move the weight around, make this product more forgiving than a shape that you couldn't make without additive manufacturing.
From an FR standpoint, really looking at the high energy, high voltage of the coil packs and being able to use an FR material. So Endeavor 3D, one of our partners, brought this to the show with us. A few of the connectors, again, done in that FR material.
So what we are showing in here is taking the existing system that we have, the existing materials, and teaching customers how to get the best cost per part with the current system.
As you know, we're all about production and helping our customers to basically produce where they need to, when they need to, with no trade-offs.